What's going on, guys? Randy from Modified Motorsports here, and I'm working on a Kia 2013 K5. I don't know, it's an Optima. So Kia Optima 2013, I believe it's 2010 to 2014 is the models. Now, if you can't get your radio from Amazon to work with the steering wheel controls, this is how you do it. What you're gonna end up doing is you're gonna end up putting in your normal installation plugs, but on this connector where the main power is going to, you have two wires. There's this green one, and then you have this gray one. Now, it might not be that color, so pins on it is going to be pin number 4 and pin number 17. Okay? So on my vehicle, it's actually green and gray. Now, on the pin number 4, which is my gray one, you take that wire, and it doesn't matter what color wire you connect to it. I'm going to try to focus as best as I can. You take that wire, the gray, and you hook it up to the radio on the key number 1. Okay? Key number 1. Doesn't matter what color it is. On the radio, it's going to say key 1 on the tag. It could be different colors. On this one, for this particular radio, it was white with a red stripe. But key number 1, that's important. Then you can cap those two off and cap that wire off, right? Just like I did with these. Now, on the other key number 2, it's going to be green on my radio. It might be different on yours, but key number 2, you're going to connect it directly to ground on the chassis, and it's very important that it's on the chassis. Let me see if I can get good. There you go. There's my ground going to the chassis, and then my ground wire is literally going from here, okay, all the way to my green wire. Okay, my key number 2. Now, after you put the ground, you also need to connect from here. So there's going to be 3 wires connected to this one connector. I have my key 2, my ground, and then I'm running my red wire to my green wire. There it is. I connected my green wire, okay? After all that's said and done, now you can go ahead and start programming the radio itself. And what you're going to do is go into your home settings, go to steering wheel controls. It's going to show up just like this, and you're going to see your buttons that you need to program. So, for example, you're going to take volume down, and then you're going to go on volume down and press volume down on a short pulse, okay? After you end up programming all of your buttons, and there's more buttons below, by the way. So if you actually scroll down, you'll see more buttons. For example, the hang up, answer, voice. Program all of your buttons, and then you're going to press save. That's very important. After you save, mine are already done, your controls will work. You can thank us in the comments.